Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Ethena or ENA. This token is one of the biggest stablecoin protocol out there as of now, and it has a market cap of 1.7 billion, which is a lot. And looking at its stablecoin, which is synthetic dollar, as you can see here, which is USDe, it does have a massive market cap, and it's near its all-time high. So this coin has had some problems in the past, or at least it's a stable coin. As you can see here, this is when the Bybit hack happened, and USDe started to lose its market cap. So this is because when Ethena was starting, the biggest partnership that they had was with Bybit, and after the Bybit biggest hack, Ethena had some problems that users apparently I think did not trust it enough, but again it has started to regain its trust, and one of the reasons that being is that I think is due to their transparency. As you can see here, protocol backing ratio is very high, as you can see here, 100%, and total backing plus reserve fund is 5.93 billion, and this is the total supply of USDe, so it is more than that. So it is highly solvent. As you can see here, we also have system backing, which is most of it is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, liquid staking tokens, liquid stables, and Sol. And this is the secondary price of the token here. After that, we have these are the different, I believe, backers. As you can see here, we have Bybit, OKX, 49% is unallocated, and something like that. So it seems to be a pretty liquid as of now, but it is highly dependent on these big exchanges. As you can see, the first one is Binance, which holds over its 20%, 27% backing, which includes BTC, ETH, and others, followed by Bybit. I believe it was first Bybit. Now they have diversified a lot, so I think that is positive for this coin in the future. So I think they will continue to diversify their proof of reserve. So I think that is a pretty good thing for this token as it goes as we move ahead in the future. So I think because of that, the token has started to the USDe has started to pump back again. As you can see, this is a market cap. Of course, it is a stable coin, so the price remains the same for this stable coin, and they are providing a pretty good API. So because of that, I think the demand for this synthetic dollar will most likely increase in the future. As the market recovers, it is going up, as you can see here. But that may not be the case for ENA token, because ENA token is coming to the ENA token, it is used for governance, so users can do various things, as you can see here. And after that, it is also used for SENA rewards. SENA serves as a liquid receipt token for locking ENA and is composable throughout a wide range of DeFi apps. SENA itself will earn rewards, so users who want to lock their ENA will most likely get a pretty good reward if they hold SENA. After that, we have a re-staked ENA as well, so generalized restaking pools in partnership with Symbiotic for staked ENA. So this is another use case that this ENA has. So just by using ENA, users are getting a lot of rewards as well. So that is another reason why although the price has been going down, but if you look at its market cap, it has remained quite good, and it is in the uptrend if you look here compared to its low. So the market cap is going up, the price is going down. So what is happening here? So I think if we just look at its tokenomics, if you look here, this is the vesting schedule. We have investors getting a lot of supply, which is around 25%. This is the investors allocation, as you can see here. And if you just look here, the investors and foundation and the core contributors were supposed to get their tokens from Q1 2025, and in Q2 we had another massive cliff starting from Q2, and that is when the Bybit hack happened. So if you just look here, the price of ENA started to struggle right after March, and it did actually go down. But looking at its market cap, the demand for the ENA went up, as you can see here, the market cap is going up, the market cap is going up, but the price is going down. That has to do with the supply. So the supply has increased and slowly it's increasing. So I think if we just look at the supply release of the ENA, this is the vesting schedule. As you can see, you can check it out on CoinMarketCap as well. The token has a total supply of 15 billion. It doesn't mention max supply, so I believe there may not be a cap. It will most likely depend on the community, but again the circulating supply is around 6 billion, so that means we still have 9 billion to go, and that supply is coming out on a monthly basis. So this token is getting sell pressure each month, so that may be the reason why the price has been struggling a lot, but that doesn't mean that the token will not pump. I think if the token does have a potential when it comes to slight pumps, they just say that the price can actually push its way towards like 40% or 50%, and right after that we may be able to see immense sell pressure. But I think that is the best scenario for this coin. It is very unlikely, but it is not impossible that this coin can 10x or even 4x or even 5x. But if the market goes down, let's just say that BTC starts pumping like crazy, and I think after that there is a high chance that ENA will follow as well. It will most likely ignore that enormous supply that is waiting to be unfold, because I think as the market goes up, the demand for synthetic dollar will most likely increase. But if the market does go down, I think we are most likely heading towards 19 cent, which is its support. If it doesn't hold, we will most likely go down even higher, and as the supply increases, I think we will most likely see a sell pressure whenever the token pumps. So they just said that it starts pumping as of now, and I think we will start getting a lot of sale volume as well as soon as it pumps. So most likely around 46 cent if it starts pumping, because that is a pretty good resistance. So if it does go up, I think the 44 cent is most likely the max price it can go as of now. But if we see a pretty good buy volume, it can go actually higher, but this is a pretty strong resistance that it needs to overcome as of now. And as for the support, I think the best support that we have is around 25 cent or even 19 cent. If it does go below that, there is no way to know where the token is headed. So that's it. But if you look at its DeFi TVL, it is doing well. As you can see here, it is actually hitting new all-time highs and the market cap is going up. I think the problem with ENA token is going to be its supply. So the demand just needs to beat supply as of now if it wants to go up, and it will be interesting to see how it will happen. So as of now, they did actually launch on Coinbase, so that was a pretty positive thing for ENA token. And if they have any more news like this one, I think the token could actually pump. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.